Okay guys, back with another video. This one does not have to do with Zippos, but it was still really cool. I saw it on eBay. A few of my friends have them, and I always wanted one. It's one of those little credit card tools. So, hop in, small little package from Hong Kong. I feel like everything I buy on eBay comes from China. Oof. Bubble wrap. It comes in a little case. Kind of looks like leather. I think it might be fake leather. Doesn't feel like leather. That's pretty cool. So you got your bottle opener, your little saw. No, wait, this is your can opener. This is your bottle opener. Your little saw. Hold on, this little diagram of all stuff. So you got and it's written in Chinese. Okay, so I'll probably just look it up online because I do not speak or read Chinese, so that's pretty much just a waste. Still pretty cool. Stainless steel. Really don't know what everything is for. It's really cool though. Keep it in my wallet. You never know. I need to, pop open a beer or something. Well, so check back for more videos.